in order to get the car to do things, OK, it brings up words on the screen and then you repeat them.
Well,
what's the point of that?
Does it have a picture of the object next to it? Apple. Apple. I got it.
If it was that, you could have enormous fun with foreign markets. Like in Germany, you could bring up a picture of a squirrel.
Why?
No, because if you think about it, all Germans, no matter how well they speak English, can't say squirrel. Right, what's this? Oh, that would be a squirrel! Are there any Glaswegians here? Really, come here. Where are you? Come on, I want to just test it. Just talk to me. Are you actually from Glasgow?
Yes.
Right, can you say burglar alarm?
Burglar alarm.
No, you
Anyway, there you go. A couple of other things about it. It's got an 825-watt stereo in it.
What? That's more than Motorhead.
A lot more. 17 speakers. And I'm sorry, but that front end is hideous. I don't know why they don't have just done with that car and just call it the Wilmslow. The day is coming when they fit that with fake pillars on either side of the door, I'm warning you. Now, there is a new version of the Fiat Punto Abarth out, OK? It's called the SS. And actually, here it is. Looks fantastic. And I have to say, Hammond, this is the car you should have taken on our hot hatchback test of Monte Carlo recently.
Why?
Because it is actually a hot hatchback.
Oh, no,
It's got a boot. Anyway, it's a normal Punto Abarth, which you buy for £17,000, and then you buy the SS kit, so different suspension components and a different ECU for the engine, taking it up to 180 horsepower, OK? Now, they arrive in a box. They make a big deal of this. They say all the parts arrive in a high-quality wooden crate. There it is, which apparently...